viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making this special spice known as asakusa. It is a very good spice which helps for the healing of fibroid, and for those who are trying to get pregnant, they also need this asakusa to put it in their cooking, or you can actually drink it the way I'm going to make it. It will help you. It helps the fertility process to scale through. And then it is also used to cook for a woman who just had a baby. This asakusa is part of the ingredients which is put into the food for a woman who just passed through operation process, or you just delivered a baby. This asakusa will help you for conception, so it's important you add it to your food. Or if you are trying to conceive, try and do this process I'm about to show you. It will help you. It is also known for multiple births, to help in multiple births. So stay tuned and see how I do this. I have thoroughly washed the ginger and the lime. Some people think that lime is so dangerous for the womb, or it will harm the womb. It is not the way they think. It helps. For lime has a lot of health benefits. So I'm going to be slicing this lime into a big pieces. When you are cooking lime, it does not really have effects on your stomach. It's only when you are licking it direct, or you are just drinking the water direct to your stomach, then the acid can easily affect your womb or your stomach. Feel free to use it to cook and drink it for the health benefits it will give you. I'm also going to slice this ginger into a bit. After I must have sliced everything, the asakusa come right now. So I'm going to try to cut it. It's a little bit hard to cut, but when I cannot, I can easily add it to the pot. So it's just as I said, it's a very hard spice. So I'm going to be washing it this way and add it to the pot. I've already washed the asakusa. You can actually Google it in internet. You can also buy it from internet if you are in the area where you cannot get it in the market. Google it in the internet. It's in Amazon. So I'm going to be adding everything to this pot. Water comes in right now. After I must have added water, I'm going to be bringing it on fire to cook. I just brought it on fire for it to cook. So the cooking process takes a little bit time. So we are going to allow it to thoroughly cook. For someone who is having a high sugar level, this drink will also help to calm it down. this is the outcome of it. So you're expected to drink 1 cup of this in the morning, first thing in the morning, and the last thing before you sleep. After about 2 weeks, give a break and continue drinking. Every 2 weeks you drink it, every 2 weeks you drink it, and you will see the result, a good result of it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.